Simply pour Listerine onto the toilet paper and you'll be amazed by the result. This is the real secret that five-star Hollywood hotels keep under lock and key. After I learned this trick, I never had this problem again at home. To do this, place a roll of toilet paper on a flat surface. Now slowly pour Listerine all over the paper. The idea is to leave the paper completely soaked and very soft. When it is completely wet, remove the cardboard tube from the center and discard it. Since Listerine already contains alcohol and essential oils, it will start to act immediately. So wait just a few seconds until the paper absorbs the liquid well. After that, gently squeeze to remove the excess. Don't tear the paper. We just want to remove the extra liquid. Comment below which city you are watching this video from. I want to see how far this tip is reaching. After that, start cutting or tearing the paper into smaller pieces. Exactly as you see here, the texture needs to be soft and damp but without dripping. Have you tried this simple trick at home? Leave it down here. I'm going to test the trick. Now, take a small plastic container like this one. It will be our base. Put a good layer of this mixture at the bottom. You don't need to fill it completely, just enough to cover the base of the container. Then, put a capful of your favorite fabric softener, spreading it well over the paper. This is what will release that lovely, long-lasting scent that we love. Next, sprinkle some coarse salt over everything. It's important to spread it well throughout the entire container. The salt not only reinforces the fragrance, but also helps to keep the scent for much longer. Finally, cover the container with a piece of aluminum foil. It doesn't matter which side. You can even reuse a piece you already have. Then, make small holes in the top with a toothpick. This is what will release the scent gradually. I'm sure that after you try this trick, you'll never want to spend money on expensive and useless products again. Once that's done, our tip is ready. And what is this for? You must be wondering. This is one of the cheapest and most efficient ways to create a homemade air freshener. That's right. It's natural, lasts a long time, and you can put it in any corner of your house. In the bathroom, in the living room, in the laundry room, and even inside the wardrobe. Besides leaving the environment smelling nice, it also works as a natural anti-mold agent. Because, in case you didn't know, coarse salt absorbs all the moisture. It keeps the environment and especially your clothes free from mold. And best of all, it really works. Make several small containers like this and spread them around your house. In a few days, you will feel the difference. And I'm sure you'll come back here to thank me. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. A kiss and until next time.